Alright guys, we got the Tesla. You saw how I put it in drive. Car is super quiet. Keep thinking I'm gonna pull a gear shift here, but I can't. There's no gear shift. So this is the Model S. I think it's called the P100D. So this is the highest performance model. Wow, very quick. Very quick. It's actually a lot better than the gas, I feel, almost, because the acceleration is so quick. There's literally no sound. Holy shit, that's quick. Guys, we're gonna do a 0 to 100 right now. Just want you guys to see this. It's incredible. Now I can kind of see why people buy Teslas. That's incredible. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to Straight Figure Mag and also TomCars. I'll leave his link in the description as well. Wow, and it even shows the cars passing you too on the, you guys see that? Boom. Crazy. So we're gonna go into reverse now. Okay, reverse. Wow, look at how big the screen is, guys. It's fucking phenomenal. This car, I actually don't even need to look at the mirrors. I can actually see everything. It's all here. It's incredible. Let's do it from a flat 0 to 100 in this thing. Make sure there's no fettuccinis. Here we go, guys. Ready? Dead stop. 0 to 100. 1, 2, 3. Get up to 0 to 130. I mean, you can't ask for anything else. I mean, the response is beautiful, and as soon as you take your foot off the gas, the car just stops. It doesn't keep rolling like you know, automatic transmission car. I mean, that's incredible. Guys, look at the seats, man. Like I'm driving a fucking cloud around or some shit. Oh wow, look at the roof. I didn't even notice. Wow, great looking car. I want to go 200 or 300 in this, but there's no roads around here. I think that would be phenomenal. Wow, it sounds like it feels like you're in a plane or something. But when you're in an intersection with this car, you can really just cook it going through, even if a car is coming, because there's no slippage and there's no delay for acceleration. It's all there, which is incredible. Like if I was these people turning right here, I know I could make it 100% through the intersection if a car's not that far away, just because the acceleration is phenomenal. I mean, look at it. It even tells you all the PSIs for each and every tire. Look, it's showing me that there's someone right beside me, someone pulling up here. I mean, that's incredible. Now, this is driving normally. Easy to drive this car. I mean, you could have a peanut brain and fucking drive this car. Very smooth. I'm actually very impressed with this car. I didn't think that I would like electric car, but this is incredible. Okay guys, dead stop to 60. No cops. No cops. Wow, that's great. Oh, look at that old Benz there. It's a good one. Keep going to grab for the gear shift. Oh my god. This Just a little tap of the gas and you're there. I recommend that everyone at least drive this. Once you drive this, it's like, why are we not always driving with this type of stuff? Like, I mean, the car is incredible. Doesn't move, take your foot off the gas, doesn't move. You don't have to worry about going in the back of someone if you're sleepy or something. Boom, I can make it through anything with this. Like, look at the throttle response, just very good. Quiet, doesn't scare the dogs. Just like that, switch it, very good. I like this. Look at this. Fucking big power. Very impressed. Whoa, just so much power, very good. But it grips. It's power with grip. It's not power with slippage. You get all this power and the car actually stays on the road. Take your foot off. And look at the steering is very good. Very responsive. Look, you're pulling up to someone. Normally with a regular car you have to put your foot on the brake. This one you just take your foot off the gas and it just stops. Fuck, incredible, man. Anyway guys, I guess we're stuck in traffic now, so I think I'm gonna cut the video there. I would love to get this one on an open road and really put it up to like 300, but again guys, thanks for tuning in. Straight Figure Mag test drive, Tesla, also TomCars, and don't forget to subscribe to both the channels. Tom's got some crazy stuff on his channel, and of course you know what we got on this channel. So we'll see you guys in the next video.